welcome to my kitchen. Today, my meal, I wanna try to eat pasta, my favorite. So today I had a special item. See this one. It's Toscana sausage. Toscana sausage. Kind of strings. Looks like some snake. So this one is a little big portion. I'm just try to use half, and making some Rosso tomato sauce with it's Japanese good flavor mushroom. This one is a little bit particular. It's white maitake. Maitake. It's a Japanese mushroom. Maitake. It's very tasty. Maitake is very popular in Japan, but usually like gray or black color. But this one is a white one, so that's why I'm just want to try to use it. Also, this one is my favorite. Adding mushroom, but this one is very, thin sliced, good for the, making my pasta. I'm always using my maitake sliced. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make my Toscana sausage, tomato sauce, pasta. Chop. That's enough. Chop. And seeds, chili pepper. So. This is a Toscana sausage. Strings. Wow. Well, it's too much to me. I'm gonna use half today. Just keep in my fridge. Maybe using another dish. So this is a good item for making pasta. Like this. Like this. Okay, and this one is using for decoration. Green onion. Usually using parsley, but now in Japan it's the winter time. The parsley is really expensive, so I'm just using green onion. Good flavor, good color. Okay. This is a mushroom. Enoki and white maitake. Special one. Tomato. This one. Cut tomato. Try to taste a little bit. Nice. Sausage. twist a little bit. So good. Chopped green onion a little bit. Okay, done. Okay, let's try to taste Toscana sausage with eringhi and white maitake mushroom, spaghettini, rosso. いただきます。Bon appetit. This is a piece of Toscana sausage. It's good. Good flavor. This is my, original recipe of spaghetti. I'm always making my original recipe because I was doing a long time pasta shop in Tokyo. So yeah, it was my cooking history. So that shop is a very how can I say, familiar. Many young Japanese university ladies coming to making some date with a boyfriend. And it's a very popular shop. I used to work there in Tokyo. I was owner in the pasta shop. That's why I love pasta. Bon appetit. いただきます。Oh, it's so good. So tasty. Because this is my meal recipe. I'm always making my original recipe, then eat. This is my meal. That's why very particular original recipe. But I'm just give to you some hint. Please try to get some hint. Please try it. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Yeah, please try my recipe. Bye. Thank you.